Come to China, they said. Little did they tell you about how digitally disadvantaged you'd be. 6 must-have apps that you'll need to make life normal in China. Now, when you come to China, people often say, oh, you know, China's so high-tech and fantastic, and there's 5G everywhere, and that is true, but as a foreigner, that 5G means nothing to you without a VPN. So a VPN is a virtual private network that encrypts your data and essentially allows you to surf the internet without borders. The one that we personally use has servers in Hong Kong, which allows us to navigate our way and get the best possible bandwidth within the closest proximity, obviously, to the mainland, and gives us the best connection outwards. So without a VPN, you are stuffed. The link is in the description to find out more about PureVPN, which is the one that we use. You've probably noticed that these apps don't just work alone, they work together. That's why we call them the tripod. Think of it like this. Dianping helps you discover, WeChat helps you connect, and Alipay helps you get things done. Separately, they're useful. Together, they unlock everyday real life in China. Once you continue to master the tripod, you'll stop feeling like a tourist and more like a local. And if you'd like me to do a full deep dive on Alipay alone, do just type Alipay in the comment section below so I know. The specific two that I find, exceptionally useful here in China are particularly the merging between Dianping and Alipay or WeChat, or you can pick either. Like I've mentioned earlier, for Alipay, we're going to have to do a whole segment. Give me a comment in below if you'd want me to do a segment on Alipay alone and share most of its features specifically. But now we're going to talk mostly about Dianping and WeChat. Now, Dianping is sort of like, I would say, in South Africa, we used to have an app called Groupon, but you're able to buy vouchers at discounted rates for specific restaurants on this app. And this app is powerful because they discount it massively. And depending on the time that you go out, they have, on the fly coupons available all the time. So you're able to dine out at 5-star restaurants, massage parlors. You're able to even book tickets to events. It's really incredible and very useful. And Dandan's getting us some much needed savings.
Yes.
We'll show you all how to do it later.
Yes, we can save more. We'll save more.
Our food has arrived. Perhaps one of my favorite luncheon places. This discounted dish finally arrived thanks to Dianping. Yeah. Show them what you got, Dandan.
Chicken pasta.
That's not chicken pasta, Dandan. That's called Alfredo. Alfredo. And it's pork, not chicken.
Yes, I thought it was chicken. It's bacon pasta.
Bacon Alfredo. Delicious. Enjoy. So, information on how we save this discount all right here on the Dianping. I promise you guys, this app just totally surprises us each and every single time. It gives us amazing discounts wherever we go in China, and we consistently are saving thanks to Dianping. This makes any expat's journey throughout China simply more pleasant and puts you on par with the locals. Now, for transport apps, most people would most likely go to Didi Chuxing or Didi Dachi, but we're a bit different because we prefer to have access to maps locally that are up to date. Now, you can also access maps normally here in China, but they're mostly on Apple Maps. They're mostly not updated, and you probably, by looking at it, you probably wouldn't realize that you have spas right next door or a new luxury restaurants next door. So this is why we specifically choose Baidu Ditu, an app that gives you sort of the updated version of maps going on in China, an updated version of that. But on the side, it's also got a Didi Chuxing feature. So it's kind of like giving you, you're killing two birds with one stone, if you know what I mean. So you can kind of get great discounts, more than what you can get with Didi Dache or Didi Chuxing. And Baidu Ditu also gives you the added benefit of not only discounts, but also more updated maps where you can tap on that are in real time and up to date. So this is why we personally prefer Baidu Ditu. And for the most exciting app on this YouTube video, and my personal favorite, Railway 12306. The reason why I'm such a big fan of this app is because I love traveling, and it gives us access to regions all across China for a fraction of what other or third-party websites would charge. Because the app is directly affiliated with the railway authorities here in China, you're getting access to the latest rates minus the service fees or anything else added. So essentially no middleman, which is the greatest advantage. Personally, we use this app all the time when we travel all around China, but not only that, we try and take advantage of deals in other cities such as Hong Kong to be able to take advantage of airfares when traveling abroad. This is the app that we use, and I highly recommend it for almost anyone coming or traveling to China short or long term. And that's it for today, guys. So I hope you like this video. Do give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you prefer, so I can get some notifications on if I should make more content like this. Leave a comment if you prefer any other apps that I haven't mentioned in this YouTube video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.